Okay, in your Google Drive menu over here, you have several different options, and we've talked about My Drive and how you can click to see all your different folders and get to things quickly. You can even click within to see and keep going that way if you like. The shared with me is for a different time. Recent we talked about, and start is just for things that you use a lot. Let's talk about trash today. So trash, when you click on trash, anything that you have gotten rid of is in there. As of, I believe today, October 13th, or as of yesterday, October 13th, I believe it said that they were going to start deleting your trash every 30 days. So just a heads up that your trash will be deleted. It will not be stored forever. However, let's say you put something in the trash and you didn't need to. You can go over here and click on the item, and you then right click and you can say restore. And then that way it will put it back into your drive and you can have it. You can go up here and you can actually empty your trash. I would suggest that you maybe don't. A good rule of thumb is to just hang on to things and maybe create a new folder that says old items. So you just create a new folder and just call it old items and just leave it over there and put things in it and then go through it after a year and see if you want to throw it in the trash. But you can recover things from trash as long as you do it before it is deleted.